Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the TQQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. And today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 4.34. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 20.08% since we first listed TQQQ as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This means an average return of 0.74% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential further growth in the near future. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 36.3% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 23.82% to 42.19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an expected 88.61% change over the next year, with a potential return between 26.95% and 95.28%. This means that the price of the ETF could range from $74.32 to $114.32 after a year. Our latest update on the TQQQ ETF brings exciting news, with the headline, TQQQ ETF upgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price showed a gain of 3.17%. It started at $56.74 and ended at $58.54. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a 3.32% fluctuation, reaching a low of $56.86 and a high of $58.75. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, accumulating a total increase of 11.21% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 16 million shares on the last day, with a total of 77 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $4.49 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume when prices are rising can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the overall performance, the TQQQ ETF's highest price over the past 52 weeks was $61.14, while the lowest price was $20.13. At present, the current price is 4.25% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $2.60. Furthermore, it stands at a significant 69.33% below the all-time high reached on January 8, 2021, when the price soared to $190.88. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals for the TQQQ ETF. Currently, there are mixed signals in the ETF. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 2.87% decrease. It's anticipated that the ETF will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is discovered. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that there are buy signals from both the short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between these two signals also indicates a general buy signal, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, corrections down are expected to receive support at $58.37 and $53.35. If the ETF breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. It's worth mentioning that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could serve as an early warning sign, so it's important to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is currently indicating a sell signal. The pivots also generated a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, provided a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average has been indicating a sell signal for the past 3 days. Contrarily, the long-term moving average has given a buy signal 28 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we can observe that the short moving average has been indicating a sell signal for the past 22 days. However, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 66 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 56 days ago. Feel free to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to support levels, the ETF has some key ones just below today's level. At $48.74 and $44.40, there has been significant accumulated volume that could provide support. However, it's important to note that there is always a risk when an ETF tests a support level. If the current support at $48.74 is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level at $44.40 and $44.24. In terms of risk, this ETF has medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. Yesterday, for example, the ETF had a price range of $1.89, which is equivalent to a 3.32% movement. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 3.12%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for TQQQ, so let's dive right in. If the stock follows an upward trend, the first resistance level we need to keep an eye on is at $58.55. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is broken before entering a position. However, if you already hold TQQQ, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ faces its first support level at $48.74. If this support holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $55.98, which represents a decrease of 4.38%. This ETF exhibits medium daily movements, implying a moderate level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is the TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, the TQQQ ETF shows several positive short-term signals and a generally favorable trend. As a result, we believe there is a potential buying opportunity at the current level. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate TQQQ to open with a decrease of $0.490, starting trading at $58.05. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.